Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever it is to wherever you're at. 91 Cav GT coming at you again. Got some roof rails going to be installing on my 2018 Kia Niro. These roof rails are from a manufacturer called Kingcher. I believe that's how you pronounce it. These are some brand new roof rails, and I just got the package in yesterday afternoon, so wanted to take a chance and see how they are and go from there. First thing I wanted to do before I got too terribly far, show you how well this thing is packaged. You see the fragile labels: do not stack or drop, keep dry, and they're all on it. I mean, it's packaged really well. It was not exactly easy to get into, and then once I did get into it, check this out. Components are bubble wrapped. That's nice. That's got to be one of the crossbars. Once again, bubble wrapped. Really nice. Another crossbar. Once again, bubble wrapped. Really nice. Oh, there's some styrofoam in there. Okay. Huh. That's nice to see. Got some more stuff in here. Let's see if we can slide it all out one-handed. No, not gonna happen. It's easier said than done. Okay. So we got another mount. There should be 4 of those. 2 for each crossbar. This sounds like hardware. There's instructions. Okay. There's another piece of styrofoam. This is actually packaged really good. I'm really surprised. A lot of the stuff, I've ordered parts from other manufacturers before, and they're just kind of wrapped up and stuff like step rails and stuff like that, and they're just not packaged up very good. These, I'm kind of impressed. That's nice packaging. Full disclosure, this was sent to me. I did not have to pay for it, but I'm gonna tell the truth. It don't matter how much these sell for, it don't matter any of that. I'm gonna tell the truth, and so far, I'm really liking how they're packaged. So I'm gonna get this going on the roof, and we'll get back.